SAA monitor arms support and position a wide variety of displays. They can be mounted in many ways to address almost every need. The tilter mechanism is the component that allows the monitor to articulate in all three dimensions. The standard tilter supports up to 35 pounds. The heavy-duty spring tilter handles heavier loads. Note that the heavy-duty spring tilters are under tension and should never be adjusted until the monitor has been attached to the arm. Attach the appropriate VISA bracket to the tilter mechanism. Secure the VISA bracket to the back of the monitor. Place the tilter pin into the forearm. Align and press the dog washer so the protrusions fully engage the slots at the bottom of the tilter pin. Tighten the dog washer to set the desired resistance for monitor swivel. The tilter mechanism comes preset in a vertical orientation and is tightened in the factory to its maximum torque. Start by loosening the set screw from beneath using the 7/32 Allen wrench. Tilt the monitor towards the ceiling. Turning the set screw clockwise incrementally strengthens the resistance. Test the monitor for ease of movement and stable positioning. Adjustment usually requires a number of very slight changes to the set screw. SAA arms are typically preset at their maximum counterbalancing force and will require calibration of the internal gas spring cylinder. 3 important conditions must be met before adjusting the arm. First, the arm must be mounted. Second, the monitor must be attached to the end of the arm. And third, the arm must be manually held into a horizontal position. Next, insert the provided Allen wrench into the set screw at the base of the arm and rotate clockwise to decrease the strength of the arm or counterclockwise to increase it. Once set correctly, the arm will stay in place when moved to any height. If desired, you can set the lateral resistance of the forearm joint by turning the set screw. Most mount kits feature adjustable resistance between the arm pin and the receiver. Turn the small set screw clockwise to increase the rotational resistance. SAA arms feature handy wire management capability. Routing cables usually completes the arm installation process. Please contact Ergomart for questions or any additional assistance at 1-888-420-3200.